Hi, this is Tim. In the previous video I showed how we could use the PLC Tools SIM ALP2 as a portable power supply to test a 4 to 20 milliamp sensor in the field using a basic $10 voltmeter. I also said at the end that we could use a 9-volt battery. Call from the last, we're going to use terminals 1, 2, and 3 off this analog sensor. 1 is our plus DC, 2 is our analog signal, and 3 is our minus. Now, I didn't think to grab any alligator leads, which will make this a little bit more of a pain. It's also, I like the ALP2 as it has the side post on it. I can just stick all the wires in it and tighten it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a long strip off of terminal number 3, and I'm going to wrap it around the big terminal, because that is our minus. Then I'm also going to wrap it around our black wire. That way I can kind of free my hand up, because I only have 2 hands and I have 3 leads. Then I'm going to put my meter on 20 milliamps. And make sure you pay attention to where the posts go for milliamps. And I am going to take the red lead to terminal number 2, because that is our milliamp signal. So I'm just going to strip this wire further back. And I'm going to wrap it around the red lead. And that's going to leave me with terminal number 1, which is our power lead. So with this ugly contraption, you can see we do now have a milliamp signal. Now if I can hold all of this in my hand and a piece of metal, because this is an inductive prox, then I can test my milliamp signal. And it does vary as I move it back and forth away from the sensor. Learn more about 4 to 20 milliamp systems here.